Hey friends, let's do a little napkin project on a Dollar Tree surface. And y'all, I just wet my fingers to get it down to 1 ply. You always want to make sure it's 1 ply. All right, there we go. Look at that. So easy. Now let's get the glitter off of this little jar. I love to grab these no matter what season it is. Cut the twine off if you want to or leave it. It's up to you. Now I'm going to just make sure it's smooth, and I'm going to paint it a color similar to the napkin because, you know, sometimes you can see through those napkins. Now let's put that Mod Podge on there. Now let's put our napkin on there. Super simple. And then I'm going to use the iron method. It's my favorite. It makes a smooth surface. And now if you dare, grab your lighter, burn that excess off. Y'all, this is so satisfying. Don't you just love it? Anyway, I'm going to put a little design on here with a stencil. You can do that or, you know, leave it as is. But I thought I'd just, you know, amp it up a little bit. It turns out so stinking cute. Thank y'all for watching, and thank you for sprinkling the love.